is the Texas weather discussion video for Tuesday, the 30th of July. I'm Donovan Neal. It's going to be another hot and humid day with humidity for everyone to share around here in North Texas. Hey, it's summertime here in Texas. So here's the upper air map across the nation this morning. You can see we say a standard pattern here, ridging in the west, troughing in the east. Very typical summer pattern, main mid-latitude westerlies up to the north. And we are in the upper 70s to low 80s around the board today. Cooler spots may be in the 60s near Jacksboro. But other than that, we'll be in the mid to upper 90s today. Across the convective outlooks, we have a marginal risk of severe storms for parts of the high plains and parts of the mountainous regions, and also parts of the northeast United States. Day 2, same thing, marginal risk for parts of South Dakota, North Dakota, and parts of Montana, and also another marginal risk down to the northeast. And on day 3, no organized severe weather is expected. Here's the average rainfall for the next 7 days. You can see heaviest rainfall remains around the borders between Kansas, Nebraska, and Missouri. And down here, next to nothing for parts of north central Texas. It does say we could get something for our most southernmost counties, but I think we stay dry for the next several days. And on the tropics, there's two areas of concern here. One near the Caribbean, and another near the Cape Verde Islands. And of course, both have a very minimal chance of developing within the next 5 days. Environmental conditions could become a little bit better over the weekend, so we have to watch for that. So let's go on to the dailies here. This is the 06Z run of the GFS file this afternoon at 4 o'clock local time at 500 millibars. You can see, like I said before, that upper high here in the west, and down here, showers and storms should be mainly confined to the eastern half of the state. Even with that, it should still stay fairly minimal. Highs basically around 95 today, and same thing on Wednesday, same thing on Thursday, and pretty much the same deal on Friday. Actually, Texas stays mostly dry this week with highs in the upper 90s, say around 98. Overnight lows will be around 78 as well. Now here's for the weekend. This is Saturday and this is Sunday. So we're not really changing much. Mostly sunny, hot, humid, dry. Highs mostly in the upper 90s. And here's Monday of next week. Here's Monday. It could see an isolated storm or two on Monday, but other than that, mostly sunny skies. Highs mostly in the upper 90s. And here's a week from today, Tuesday, the 6th of August. You can see we have troughing in the east, ridging in the west down here. We stay dry for the most part. Again, highs mostly in the upper 90s. Here's the end of the 10-day forecast period. This is Thursday, the 8th of August, troughing near the Great Lakes, and down here we stay dry. But you can see for the numbers for the next 15 days coming off the European ensemble, highs mostly in the upper 90s, with overnight lows in the upper 70s to around the low 80s. That's it for the Texas weather discussion video for today. Our notes in the blog. Next video here will be posted at around 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. If you can't catch local TV stations on the air at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and Godspeed.